Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will teach you guys on how to drop a database in PHPMyAdmin. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. We are here in the PHPMyAdmin dashboard. Okay, so to drop a database, kindly select the database that you want to drop. In this case, MyDB. Click that one and then click this drop button. Now, when you click that button, it will ask you, you're about to destroy a complete database. Do you really want to execute drop database MyDB? Click drop. Okay, so one database has been dropped successfully. So it means that the database is no longer available. A word of advice: before you drop any database, make sure that you make the right decision, because there are no features in PHPMyAdmin that enables you to roll back or undo once the database that you have selected has been dropped. So my advice is always to make a backup copy of your SQL dump file, just in case you accidentally delete or remove your database in PHPMyAdmin. Okay guys, so this is the end of my tutorial video on how to drop a database in PHPMyAdmin. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.